Right, so I have the Olay Luminous. It is the brightening cream cleanser, advanced tone perfecting. So I'm about to use this and show you guys how it looks, if it really works like it says it does, because you know there's a lot of people that be false advertising their products. So I'm about to show you guys how it feels on my face, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. Wow, guys, look at my face. It feels so good and soft. Wow, and I have not even put any lotion on it yet. So you can tell that this is a good cleanser. I feel light and fresh, vibrant. Look at my face. You saw how it went. Looks so pretty. So yes, guys, that is definitely a good product to buy. If you did not catch it earlier, it's the Olay Luminous Brightening Cream Cleanser. Okay. You guys, it's on sale right now. If you go on your Sunday coupon this week that just came, there is a buy one, get one free offer. And if you have 2 newspapers, you can get these absolutely free like I did at CVS. So go get your products now, all right? Go get them. And let me know if you like them too. I have another one. I'll try that tomorrow. It's a red version of it. I don't know the name of it, but I will let you guys know that tomorrow. So thank you all for watching this video. Let me know what you like. I see that you guys do like gossip, so I'm going to start doing some more gossip videos. And also, beauty is my thing. That's my channel, beauty. So tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Subscribe to this channel. Share it around the world. Just share it, okay? And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.